Welcome to the 7th devlog of my multiplayer horror game, The Dog. I hope you are doing well and are ready to see what's new in the project. So, in the last devlog I started the demo by creating the map, adding the player and developing the dog AI. And this week I continued with the monster AI, which led to some interesting glitches, but you'll see this later on. However, I put the monster into the scene, slapped a simple follow the player behavior onto it, and because it did look pretty good, I added the animation and so far everything worked more or less fine. But then I had to add the monster's abilities and the weird stuff appeared. First, I forgot to turn this collider into a trigger, so I found myself under the stairs, a little bit like Harry Potter, but that's a different story. Anyways, after this I gave the monster the ability to disappear, but for some reason his axe doesn't want to, so I got chased by an axe, which is totally fine. Of course, this isn't the only ability, but I think you should experience most of them on your own when the demo comes out, so I don't want to show you everything in detail. Next, I noticed that some of the sounds were really loud, even though a wall was between the player and the sound source. So I wrote some boring code to fix this issue, and it worked quite good, but it also created a bug with screaming. So I decided to put the code aside for now. And while I was testing the game once again, I stumbled across this fight between the dog and the monster. I know why this happens, but I couldn't find a solution without breaking all the AI movement, so fixing this will take some more time. Another
thing
my mate worked on during this week were the dog animations. And after doing some weird stuff as always, he came up with this walk and this eye animation, which is already added to the game. I would love to show you a bit more of the game, but because I decided to record my own voice, the video editing took much more time than I thought, and I couldn't work that much on the game. Maybe the returning winter in Germany also took a little bit of my time, but anyways. Now I'm participating in the Bracky's Game Jam, so the next devlog will come in 2 weeks. Please let me know if I should continue with my own voice or not, and if you want to see more of my game, check out this playlist and don't forget to activate the granny block. But now, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you next time.